Hello guys, here we are again. Today I'm working on a Volkswagen Passat 2018 2.0 110 horsepower. The customer needs, because of course it's taxi, so the customer wants more power and less consumption. So let's check it out. It has like 350,000 kilometers on the dash. So of course with this kind of mileage, there's a lot going on. First of all, where I did the scanning, there was a lot of fault codes. We cleared them up. Okay guys, let's look at our ECU. We'll pop up the bonnet right now. Yeah, so as you can see, it's quite accessible. Unlike the Ford Focus we did yesterday, which we had to take off the front wheel and then get to get the ECU. But before we do anything on the ECU, we have to disconnect the positive end of the battery. Don't forget that. So for this car, it's a German car, the battery is located at here at the hood. And we need to first of all pop out this, it's hidden somewhere here. There is it. So just take out the positive end of the battery. Okay, with the positive end of the battery, with the positive end of the battery out of the way, let's go and get out our ECU. And you don't have to close the boot after the battery is off because the boot is electronically operated. You can't open from the latch when there's not power. So we're gonna take out the ECU. Just pop it out like so. Then you can see it's a Bosch ECU. We'll take out the connector. So with our ECU in hand, we're gonna go make the connections. We do a bench connections because with the bench connection, you get all the files in the ECU to our computer. And with the files, we can upgrade as per the customer's wish. Upgrade the power of this car and simultaneously reducing the fuel consumption. So let's do this. Okay guys, so this is our flex tool and the bench connection. Remember, we did this on bench connection because we have to get all the files from our ECU to our system. So now I'm going to read the ECU from here. As you can see, this is I'm going to do a full backup of the ECU. So let's begin. As you can see, it's reading full backup. So the reason we are doing full backup is because with full backup, we save all the files from the ECU, and later on, should the customer don't want anymore this upgrade, we can always put back the original program to the ECU, and the car will run like from factory. Okay guys, so we're almost through with the process. Our file has been downloaded. Now we have to upload our modified file to the ECU. So let's do this. So as you can see, we are writing the files in the internal flash of the ECU. With this upgrade, the customer is gonna get about 40 horsepower more. So it's already 150 horsepower. So the car is gonna be like 190 horsepower after this upgrade. And of course, less fuel consumption. Okay, as you can see, it was a success. So everything is done. We're gonna disconnect our ECU and take it to the car, mount it, and go for a test drive. See you later.